Parrot. Today we are using our Parrot voice to write uppercase letters J to R. First, watch me, then let's do it together. Here's a clue. Always start at the top of the letter. Before we begin, let's review our action words. Say, curve around. Say, make an ear. Say, make a hook. Say, zip down. Say, zoom across. Say, slide down. Say, slide up. Say, lift up. That means move your pencil without making a mark. Remember, we always write from top to bottom and left to right. Are you ready? It's time to write. First, let's start with J. It's one step. Letter J. Watch me. Make a hook. Let's do it together. Make a hook. Next is letter K. Watch me. Zip down. Lift up. Slide down. Slide down. Let's do it together. Zip down. Lift up. Slide down. Slide down. Now, let's do letter L. It has 2 easy steps. Watch me. Zip down. Zoom across. Let's do it together. Zip down. Zoom across. Let's try a harder one. Letter M. Watch me. Zip down. Lift up. Slide down. Slide up. Zip down. Let's do it together. Zip down. Lift up. Slide down. Slide up. Zip down. Letter N is next. Remember, start at the top. Letter N. Watch me. Zip down. Lift up. Slide down. Lift up. Zip down. Let's do it together. Zip down. Lift up. Slide down. Lift up. Zip down. It's time for an easier letter. O has 1 step. Letter O. Watch me. Curve around. Let's do it together. Curve around. Next up is letter P. Watch me. Zip down. Lift up. Make an ear. Let's do it together. Zip down. Lift up. Make an ear. Now, let's try Q. It starts like an O. Letter Q. Watch me. Curve around. Lift up. Slide down. Let's do it together. Curve around. Lift up. Slide down. The last letter for today is R. It starts like a P. Letter R. Watch me. Zip down. Lift up. Make an ear. Slide down. Let's do it together. Zip down. Lift up. Make an ear. Slide down. Yay! You get a high five for doing a great job. Thanks for playing. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If your child is drawing a triangle, they may be ready to start the PALS Handwriting Program, starting with the treasure chest for uppercase letters. Head on over to playapy.com for purchase. Have a playful day.